Yeah, it works. Hello, good evening. Okay, let me see if stream settings are okay. Almost. Yep, it works. Hello. Good evening. I hope you hear music. That probably works. Oh, interesting. Am I live on Twitch? Let's see if I remember Twitch password. Seems that I'm live on Tube channel. What's that? Shadow clips? Yeah, it's fine. Probably no. For some reason, probably that this didn't work. But that's fine. Music and mic coming through as well. Okay, great, amazing. And is stream live on Twitter? I don't know. Seems that not. Okay, whatever. It works on YouTube. That was kind of mine target to send the stream. I'm just curious why it is not going to Twitch. Strange, but not important. Whatever. YouTube is fine. Okay. Hola, hey Richard. Good evening. Destinations. Yeah, kinda. They were enabled, and I do not see where I can change, switch, enable them now on the fly. Probably that's not important. That's fine, whatever. Good evening. Have you tested on-device AI for app development? Apple AI is not available in Europe. If you're asking about those latest kind of upgrades and all that stuff, no. I didn't test anything. Okay. Oh, basically we don't need this chat on screen actually, probably. Let me hide this. Yeah. Not viable yet. I hope we will get it someday later, but no, it's not here yet. Okay, I'm working on onboarding screens. I need some pictures because everything looks better with pictures. And of course we can do AI generated images, but I don't know. I liked your... Okay, let me read that. I liked your recent video making time before work. Yes. Yeah, it helped me a lot. This approach when you kind of... when you are kind of taking a few hours on the morning and working on your kind of tasks, that's basically was the one thing that changed a lot. I switched careers like that. That was big help for me. Okay, if we will go to Unsplash, I would like to see for few things. So I will go to Unsplash and I will go and we'll just Google Alex Hormozi. Oh, here it is, rule of hand description, just rules of 100 and images, maybe something. Good evening, hello. Yeah, I just decided to jump on the stream. Rule of 100 club, okay, interesting. Okay. Your video about tools for indie development was motivating for you. Yeah, you don't need much. You don't need to learn a lot to build apps. It's quite easy nowadays. No. It's kind of hard, but also easy at the same time. Yeah, there's no good pictures for that. Okay, how we can generate pictures? I know that in X we have that flux, whatever, that grok. Good evening. Oh, your programming is all nice. Yeah, that's the problem. Programming is not problem anymore, but ideas, monetization and marketing, those are hard things. And I'm not talking about monetization from kind of programming point of view. It's quite easy to implement monetization nowadays, but there was something flux and something was to generate flux image generation, something of what? I remember someone said me that in the chat, in school community, I think it was. Oh, hello. Yeah, replica. Yeah, that was that. I was told. Replica. Replicate com. Yep. How do you do that? Okay, here is already some kind of prompt. Oh, the stream is working on Twitter, aka X, because Philip is commenting from the Twitter. Okay, cool, at least that works. Seems that Twitch didn't work, but... Okay, I will bring chat back then on the screen to be visible for everyone. Otherwise, it's kind of... We are separated in two camps. Okay, no, not this one. In two camps, but we can get everything on the one screen. Give me a minute. Okay, not a minute. Maybe, let's say 2. Where was this? Overlays. Found it. Overlays. New screen share overlay. Okay, here we are. No, not this one. Ecom. No, not this one. Okay, that is the wrong one. We need different one. I would like to bring only chat. Okay, that kind of works, but will that work like that? Let me see. Maybe if I will make it kind of like that, and then we will kind of beginning it. I think that's proper English word. for making huge, right? No, not like that, but like that. Okay, it works. Cool. Yeah, I noticed it that currently, I don't know why, but streaming become kind of popular again. I have no clue why, but it is. And I'm streaming less than ever before, but yeah, I'm happy to see that currently many indie app developers streaming. Oh, I broke something. What the fuck? What's happened? Yeah, let's fix it again and then do not touch anymore. Can I? Will it be fixed? Oh no, I need to share it somehow differently. Okay, let me... Yeah, I really doing it somehow wrong. Let's give one more try. New... It should be screen share overlay, I think. No. I had it made before. Yeah, that's the best way to stream, just to start streaming and then start to try to fix the streaming of software. I'm pro streamer, believe me. Sorry. Okay, one more try, and then if that will not work, then I don't know. Then it is not working. Okay, we don't need primary display, we need ecom part. But why I do not see... Yeah, for some reason I see just all the icon live shape. Tall. Yeah, it should be possible to choose chat. Probably, I don't know, probably that ecom live is kind of drunk. Because sometimes that happens. Okay, whatever. I'm so unhappy about that. Why we can't kind of just fix it? Why you don't want to stay here like that? What's wrong with you? Oh, probably if I will not touch it, I mean that ecom live. Let's see, will it broke? Maybe not. Hopefully not. Let's beginning it again. Okay. Did you know that Figma have iOS library from Apple? Do you mean user interface? It was around for a while. Hello from Russia and from Georgia. Hey, inspiring you. That's amazing. That's one of the reasons why I'm making those videos. I wanted to say hola, but yeah, that's Brazil, that's Portuguese. I don't remember. It was Alamavera, something like that. Why don't you use folders in Xcode? Why don't you think I use why do you think I don't use folders in Xcode? If you are asking about this project, that is just, I don't know, I'm just playing around. If I'm using kind of a real project, of course I have folders and kind of many of them. Sure, I have folders. I'm using folders, don't you worry. It's just a small baby project, it's work in progress. I'm developer mobile games. Nice. Oh, one more visitor from X. Hello. Is it possible to make 40 to 50k per month on iOS apps? Yes. I don't know if those guys are lying, of course, but technically it is possible. Well, if you will look, for example, on Headspace or calm meditation apps. They are making millions in a month. Hello. Components, yeah, sure. If you're understanding and research where is more money in app in native or in Swift, dear friend, what is native in this case? There is not money in Swift. Money is in the App Store, money is in freelance project, money is in jobs. Swift is just programming language. I will start to learn SwiftUI. Any advice? On beginning you will be very motivated and inspired, but you should keep going when you will have bad days. React Native versus Swift, there is no difference in revenue. You can earn 0 using Swift, you can earn 0 using React Native. All the difference is in your product ideas, market research, App Store search optimization, all that stuff. Mobile games, yeah, mobile games are cool. Never made any game. Where's more money in Google Play Store or Apple ecosystem? Apple users are willing to pay more for the apps. If your business model is sell apps, then it's easier to make money in the App Store. If you are building app for huge audience and you are okay to rely on the ads, then you can make money on Google Play as well. Watch my YouTube video. I have a video about all my stuff that I'm using. I released that video this week. For indie developer, it is hard to get to first K in sales as well. Only 17% of all the indie apps getting to the 1,000 in the revenue. If you're getting to 1,000, then you can get to 2.5, then you can get on the 5, and then you can try to get to 10K in a month and 40 and 50. I rarely use split keyboard. I have it 2 days ago, typed a little bit, and I had to type a lot, and I got kind of annoyed and switched back to regular keyboard. Exactly, yeah. Marketing is the king. Exactly. Why I don't make my own game? Games are totally different market. No one, normal people making games using Unity and so on. Why? Yeah, of course. That's marketing. Yeah. User acquisition. I have nothing about game marketing business and so on, but general rule in the App Store is make it free and then make money in in-app purchases, and games usually make money on mini transactions. Actually, those are tokens, levels, avatars, what else not, I don't know, gems, in-game currency. Have you tried to make Android app? Yes. Did you manage to earn something? No, I didn't monetize my Android applications, and I made my Android apps back in 2014, 15, something like that. I have Glow 80 and I bought Nufi because of you. And right now ordering Kinesis. Kinesis is very kind of interesting as well, yeah. But luckily for me, they are not sending them to Europe, so I will save something like $600, something like that. Okay, so where I was. Images. How do you generate images here? The problem is I don't know what kind of image I would like to have. So let me tell you what this app do. This is basically like habit tracker, but for indie developers to track marketing activities, and the marketing activities basically that's rule of 100. That's based on no, not this one, but something like the rule of hundreds description. Where's my beer? I have a tea. Cheers. That's black tea. Can I show you somehow on camera? That's not coffee, black tea. And I made it too strong. I will need to add. Oh well, holy moly! It is kind of half of the glass is kind of tea itself. I need more water here. I will add more water. I think I've read that the tea is stronger than coffee. I didn't want to be game dev, but that happened. That's strange accident. Been following my stuff for a long. Nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you for watching it, and yeah, I'm really happy every time when I hear that it's somehow useful stuff. Hello. No, it's not coffee, just black tea, I promise. At the moment I'm working in IT, and I have a lot of use cases for mobile apps. Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, water is boiling. I will add a little bit to my tea, otherwise it's, I don't know, it's stronger than coffee. Yeah, it seems that I will be able to make 2-3 more cups from from this one tea. How you tutorial on YouTube about implementing iCloud? I don't have tutorials at all. I do not do tutorials. Yeah, Swift data with iCloud is easy. Basically, you just use Swift data and you are kind of saying iCloud to sync it with iCloud. That becomes tricky if you want to make some kind of share something in between users and so on. If you just need data for current user, it's just Swift data, and you just add flags that it should be synchronized with iCloud accounts. That's it. I love programming close to window. Yeah, I have window next to me as well, but sun will be back somewhere in maybe May. I don't know. It's winter. We don't have sun in winters here in Latvia. Okay, we need the rule of 100 description now. Alex Hormozi. Do you have to pay any taxes in apps in the US? No, I don't need to do that because Apple handled local purchase tax and collect it. and I just have to pay taxes here in Latvia, all the kind of income tax and so on. So no, that's not a problem. You are asking lazy questions to get lazy answer. Basically, your advice regarding job market, what's important to be successful? To be successful in job market, you have to be better than others in job hunting. Oh, Ellie, hello. Hey. It's Friday, yeah. I know, my friend, but I somehow started without announcing or making any decisions. I started kind of dumb challenge with myself to post something on YouTube every day in October, and today it is live stream. Idea generator is just if you are looking for just random ideas, just ask ChatGPT. It's not the way how to come up with good ideas, believe me. Hello. Yeah, I don't know how long that will go, but currently I posted this week 2 videos. This is second stream. This stream will go it will be like a Saturday, let's say, video. This stream will count like that, one short. I don't know, maybe I will go for next week after that. I don't know, we'll see. No, I do not play mobile games. I play kind of real games, and then I'm playing on Steam Deck or on gaming PC. Currently I don't have gaming PC, but I have Steam Deck. Have you ever listened to QRun? I don't know what is QRun, so no. Will AI replace developers? Yeah, eventually. Okay, can we get description? Oh, here it is, something. Will AI replace your YouTube channel? No, that is not possible. I think that, hi Rafael, by the way, happy to see you. It's, I do not believe that all those faceless or kind of AI channels will replace kind of real YouTube videos. I don't think so. And I love to watch vlogs. Actually, vlogs are my favorite genre. How you name that? Type of videos, whatever. And I also make kind of vlog style videos where I'm just rambling and going through my day. and no, I do not see AI replacing that. Okay, so Xuri. Converting game. Yeah, I just do not see that playing games on screen is comfortable. Then you need some kind of joysticks, but then again, Stream Deck is more comfortable then. Yeah, definitely. Do not care too much, because let me tell you, I recorded, let me open my YouTube channel. Okay, I have blocker. Can I get to my channel? Oh, here it is. Yeah, Ellie, definitely. So I recorded this video just, like on spot, and that video doing well. Yeah. This video, I didn't spend much time on that video, but let me tell you, probably I spend more time on thumbnail than on video itself. This one don't have thumbnail, and recorded and edited in about an hour. And I don't know, it's doing well. Decent, views are decent, you know, if you're getting something like, if about 10% of your subscribers watching this video, it's good already. That's just how it works on YouTube, you know. I am on 36k, almost 37, so if there are 4 point something, almost 5,000 views, that's good video. Have you ever suffered a flag from API days? No, probably no. There are only few vloggers. Yes, the same. Yeah, I'm one of them. Thank you. Not interested in vlogging. Yeah. It's... Yeah, I don't know. I just like that format, and I'm watching also only few kind of vloggers, and yeah, I don't know. Do you like new autocomplete stuff? It is better. Close to decent idea. Yeah, YouTube is here for a long time. Yeah. Never know how to start up from the scratch. Oh my gosh. You have, that's typical kind of problem of kind of overthinking and kind of learning too much before doing. You should start doing. There are two nice communities where you can get help. One community is paid and closed community. You can get in. I mean, cannot get in. This is this guy, Ivers Meyers, created it. But this another one is free community and you can get in. So 2 memberships pending. Cross-platform developer, approve. Thomas, approve. So this is free community, and in this free community there is base course. Basically how to start in the app development, how to find API ideas, how to generate them, how to validate them, stuff like that. And then you have also deep dive in App Store search optimization. That's kind of masterclass. This video is quite good. It is from paid community, but I dropped it into the free community. And yeah, that's free. And your problem is you don't need kind of course about programming. You need kind of figure out how to find API idea which you like to build and start building. And yeah, that course can help you. But again, do not sit too long in courses. Just start building something. Are you liking Apple headphones? Yeah, I like them. I hate that update because that was kind of no update at all, but sound quality is amazing. Everything is good, I like them. Yeah, it's kind of, you have to get somehow over that stress part and then just chill out and enjoy it. I'm using whatever is base, MVC or MVVM. Yeah, Berlin. In Berlin it is warmer, but yeah, it's also dark. Hey Andres, how do you find microphone? I do not know. I do not use I'm using this microphone. I hope that I'm using this microphone right now. I hate that the macOS always kind of picking that kind of microphone for calls and everything. But I don't know quality. I didn't come test it. I don't know how good it is. This is better definitely, but just created to-do app. Yeah. With AI. Yeah, with AI you can build a lot. Basically, this app that I created, I mostly did it by bullying AI and asking to create screens and stuff. Basically, I did kind of fine-tuning already because AI is not great at user interface design, but all the base functionality generates just fine. Make some up challenge in your community. Maybe that will come in a few years, a few weeks. I mean, oh my gosh, my English is getting broken. I'm learning English and using your content to practice. Yeah, that's a good way to go. I started to listen podcasts in English, and at first I understand maybe 1/3 from everything, but then I become better and better, and now I understand almost everything what I'm saying. And of course, my grammar is whatever, and time to time I'm getting comments that my accent is wrong and I'm pronouncing names wrongly, but I can't care less, you know. Because even if everyone has accent. Those who are in US, those also have accent, you know. They have American accent, and those who care about accents, those usually are non-native speakers. Just ignore. If I'm total beginner, how do I proceed to learn iOS development? What do I need for a junior position? I don't know. What do you need today for junior position? You should go to the job market and take a look what they have in those job descriptions. I didn't apply for a job for the last 5 years. I could give you some kind of educated guess, you know, what they could ask, but that will be just me kind of trying to come up with something. Okay, so if onboarding is displayed, then we will see. Come on. Quality is good for calls. Yeah, I don't know how good microphone is, but I will say you that I have second generation AirPods Pro, and their quality for calls is not good. I don't know why. But they are not good for calls. Okay, that's basically the app. Where you did that image for your app heading? Do you mean? Yeah, I know. From AI. Ask it to generate it. Where should we add? Info list already is in the project. Here it is. It is already automatically added. And that Google Service info list, you generate it in Firebase console, for example, download and just drop inside, and that's it. To be honest, it feels that Flutter could be sunsetted anytime soon and replaced with Kotlin multi-platform. You know, we are living everyone in our own bubble, and those feelings doesn't really matter. How do you create icons for apps? I'm making them in SketchUp. Have you played around? No, didn't try that. Cloud AI or ChatGPT? For programming, Cloud AI. I think your accent is your thing, like the Fishka. Yeah, Kasper Tishta, exactly. Now I'm some kind of strange, weird guy with weird tattoos from I don't know where, with weird accent, tattoos, and what else not, and that's like Fishka, yeah, exactly, my thing. You're kind of a little bit different. I'm not sure are they both good because I kind of tested, I asked it the same, I was giving the same tasks to ChatGPT and Cloud AI, and ChatGPT answers were kind of quite horrible and Cloud AI was decently good. Okay, back to the topic. OpenAI preview is good for programming. Yeah, probably. Is that from 100 leads? Okay, interesting. The rule of 100 is simple. You advertise your stuff by actions every day for 100 days in a row. That's it. Okay. Oh, here it is. Warm outreach, post content, cold outreach, paid ads. Yeah. The accent is the other non-perfect thing in us, and that's always a feature. Took me years to understand that, but last week realizing this unexpectedly almost knocked me down. Yeah, it is, and I like to say, that accent is like fonts for talking. The problem is when you can't find words like I just know, or you making kind of horrible grammar mistakes, then those are problems. When you have accents, that's totally fine. Do not worry about that. Important is that other person can understand you, and then you are fine. I don't know, for example, maybe my YouTube channel could be 10 times bigger if my English is better. We never will know that, right? But I don't think so. In work, at jobs, that definitely is not obstacle. There's no problem with that. I just started login signal implementation with Google sign in and understand some of the basics. But what I didn't need more. I don't know, I implemented for one application about 3 years ago, 4 years ago, Google login and Apple sign in. So I don't know, they both work. I spent a few days on that, but I don't know. I can't say anything from my head about that. That's one thing, but what I can say, if you have Google sign in, you should support Apple sign in as well. Absolutely. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, late night, yeah, coding, exactly. Sveiks, Theodore. Hey, Paul, I tried to start stream on Twitch, in X and YouTube, but seems that we are only on YouTube and Twitter, aka X. Especially, I was thinking about you when I was trying to start Twitch stream, and I enabled it, I signed in, but seems that we are not live on Twitch. How are you? I'm doing well. I got a little cold. But that's something that you expect to have in autumn in Latvia. That's just how it works. Yeah, I planned to start stream on Twitch today. I don't know why that didn't started. Okay, I was asked about app icon. Here it is. Yeah. That's basically how I make app icons. That is app icon for my habit tracking application. And I tried to generate icons for using AI, and it doesn't work well for all ideas, let's say so. What is your streaming setup? I have cameras. I have one camera, I have another camera, I have a computer. That's my streaming setup. I don't know. I'm streaming from the same machine. I have two cameras, I have light, I have kind of this thing. I actually just made video on the channel about kind of setup, little bit updates. You can see basically what I have in it, and that is on my YouTube channel. How is that Nufi keyboard working out? It's nice, I like it, but you know, low profile keyboards, those that typing feeling is always better on full size keyboard, just because switches have longer kind of travel and they're usually kind of less scratchy and so on. But this Air version 2 is great keyboard. I have somewhere probably in my cabin version 1 as well. It was decent, but this one is kind of much better and it is good, and for that price I would say it is amazing keyboard. Is it my favorite keyboard from all that I have? Probably no, but as you may see, I'm using it today just because I like it, and yeah, it's a good keyboard. That huge blue one is somewhere around, and that feels better typing, and that is best sounding keyboard that I have, and it is without modifications, sounds amazingly. Unix, you know, I changed switches to the Holy Pandas. They are kind of nice, but I found them lately kind of just too heavy. I don't know why. I like lighter switches now. So I should change switches back to something. Okay, no thanks. Okay, so let me copy this, the rule of, say, this one. Yeah, that's about it. Let's open, probably we need Cloud AI. Probably just this chat. Yeah. Okay, so we have warm outreach, we have cold outreach, post content, paid ads. Yeah, I'm not sure about that paid ads. Do you smoke weed? It's not legal here, and no, I don't smoke it. I don't have, to be frank, I don't have any interest to smoke it, even if that will be legal. I don't know, maybe it's somehow fun or something. Smoking itself is kind of not healthy. I already have other non-healthy habits, don't really need another one. I do not judge those who smoke it, whatever. It's like judging those who drink or smoke, whatever. It's kind of whatever. Do your thing, you know. Yeah, smoking. It's kind of. I was smoker. I was smoking in army. I was smoking for about 2 packs of cigarettes in a day, at least one, but often 2. And yeah, and I was smoking after army for years as well, but then it can somehow, I don't know, it wasn't fun anymore, and I just somehow stopped it, and that's it. Ready for a new Mac? Yeah, I probably need new Mac, yeah. 1 million subscribers. Thank you, but unlikely for my content. Most typical iOS yeah. Do you smoke weed? Do you use Flutter and do you smoke weed? No, I'm staying healthy. SwiftUI and no weed. Yeah, I'm just thinking now. So what I'm thinking now, in my application, I'm tracking a little bit different things. Okay, I can't hide it now because okay, let me make it. So I'm tracking a little bit different things. Where it is content view, show me preview. Gets new Mac for Valentine's Day. Amazing. Indeed, yeah. Do I love my scene enough to get Mac for myself? Probably yes. Smoking weed and Flutter, yeah. yeah. So I have it a little bit differently. I have warm outreaches, cold outreaches. Then I have posts and comments and content minutes. And no, I don't know. I think for indie developers, kind of creating posts and comments is more valuable than kind of spending time on ads. But maybe I should kind of do that for kind of general audience. Let me think. Should I fine-tune it for 2 sets for those 100 minutes? Oh, probably no. We can track those. Content or ad minutes. Yeah, one counter for time could be enough probably. Yeah, I'm not sure because this kind of creating posts and comments, that is more kind of beneficial for indie devs and that audience. But kind of general, kind of this kind of approach from book, that's different. Have you ever tried Flutter? Flutter, no. Cursor, yeah, here it is. It works, and I started to do configuration for iOS development, but I didn't finish it yet. But yeah, it's cool. I probably will set up it properly. I got suggestions again in the community how to set up it, and I will set it up for kind of to use properly for development. What are most common rejections you have? Paywalls. Then there was for paywall changes because they kind of change those requirements and then reject you. Probably those were more often. Then spam, when they just do not test your app at all and just reject. When you have first submission, they're just rejecting it as a spam. And then you see that, okay, they didn't even open it. That happened a few times, but probably that's not most often. For one customer, that was usually some adult content because it was that was anti-land app. That is kind of anonymous chats, and the content inside was wild. I don't know how moderators was in their own mind. And there wasn't videos, basically. No, there was short videos, but yeah, videos, pictures. Just imagine if you have anonymous chats and so that was rejected quite a few times. And those rejections happened like, not when you kind of send up for review, but just from the blue sky, you're getting rejection from China. And they're saying, oh, you have to fix moderation. This and that is not okay in the application. Your app is removed from the App Store until that is fixed. What do you write to get taxpayer number? Because I'm registered as a company, and when I was registered as a solopreneur, I just went to the office, and I did that in person. I registered as myself in person, and that was back in 2015, probably. It's 9 or 10 years ago. Amazing. Congrats. Yeah, good. Yeah, it's right approach to release it, do not sit on it, and yeah. What kind of dripper do you have? Do you mean coffee dripper? Oh gosh, I need more water in this tea. If you are asking about coffee dripper, I have Chemex, I have AeroPress, I have V60. Okay, AeroPress is not really dripper, yeah, those. I had Horibo as well, but I broke that. How do you market your apps? Like that, guys, I'm just making application now. Probably someone from you will be interested to download it. Then I will release it, I will post on Twitter, I will make YouTube video, I will post inside IndieDevs community. Like that, you know. What iOS versions do you support? I will ask you then why you support iOS 15 version. How many paying customers you have on iOS 15? Yeah, and what paying number if you are kind of making below 40, already below 50k in a year, then you probably do not need that watt payer number in Latvia. Because I only have iPhone 7 where iOS 15 is max. Sure, if you want to have your own application on device, and yeah, keep supporting it, and why not? That's not the worst thing to do, you know. I think from business perspective, it doesn't make much sense to support iOS 15 if you are indie developer. For example, I will launch this application and I am going to ask for iOS 18, because why not? Why ask for later? Why ask for older versions? I'm not planning to support all those versions sooner or later. I'm not planning to support those older versions forever. Sooner or later I will need to drop them, so why even start supporting? And adoption for iOS 18 is quite good. I was checking one of the applications, there was 30% of iOS 18 already, so iOS 18 was released a few weeks ago, so it upgrades happens quickly. Okay, so here is the description for our introduce it in I'm too lazy to write my own copy for that tracked. Perfect, I have running nose. Okay, that's already better. That could be cool if I can see all the text here without side scrolling. I hate when websites doing that, you know. I have all that space here on the screen, but for some reason they decide to show all of that in such small kind of column. I hate that. Oh, it's good here we kind of getting content creation, warm outreach. Yeah, something like that. The problem will be to find some kind of pictures for that, but I think we will do that. This could work, yeah. At least that's something to start with, and then we can edit. It's always easier to edit something than kind of create something from scratch. Content view now, onboarding page, onboarding view. Where I have it? Oh, okay, here is pages, okay. Do I have the same structure or it is changed? Probably same. You have to support iPad to at least to the level to have your app running in iPhone mode on the iPad. Why? Because Apple review team probably will test it. They're just like testing on iPads. But no, I think I don't have any kind of good proper iPad application. I have one app. The problem is that if you say that, okay, I'm supporting iPad, you can't remove it anymore later if you change your mind. And yeah, I don't know. I think that if your application is mostly built for iPhones and doesn't make, then I don't know, if it is something like let's say to-do application or writing application, something like that, when that makes sense to have iPad app, then sure, make it. If it is habit tracker, let's say, then why? I would say no, not really, because for example, if you use default components like tab bar, then there are kind of version for Mac and iPad as well, and that is also supported like automatically, let's say so, but sure, it's easier to make it just for one platform. Yeah, I don't know, there probably is some reason, but they do. Maybe that's just more kind of comfortable for them. Maybe they have some workplaces where this iPad is somehow mounted. Maybe they do something automatically. Who knows, you know? But that's the fact that I had app rejections multiple times when it's especially previously. Currently they support it like in iPhone 6 mode, something like that, but previously that was something like iPhone 4, and it was very small and kind of crowded, and it was easy to make mistake and then make some buttons kind of hidden behind other objects and make untappable. So that. Okay, let's see how it looks. Yeah, totally agree with Ellie. Yeah, with SwiftUI it's not hard. Previously it was harder because we had UI kit on the iPhone and iPad and app kit on the Mac. Currently you can build everything with SwiftUI. Oh, hey, guten Tag, Andre. Hello. Okay, it works. Now we need to enable show or onboarding view, where it is. Okay, let's set it to false. This commented out string just basically saves in user defaults, kind of showing that you already showed the onboarding screen to the user and do not show it again, but currently I'm just kind of hard coding it to trigger it when I need. Hey Berkay. Are you guys working on something or watching? Yeah. And also a question to me, am I working or just reading chat, you know? I'm kind of in between both. Cold reach outs. Okay, in the rule of 100, simple yet powerful strategy to boost your business growth. Perform 100 primary actions every day for 100 days straight to see dramatic results. Yep, warm reach outs. I would like to change probably onboarding pages. Warm outreaches and cold outreaches. I will change those. Is there many people who use your apps on iPad? No, but there are few. You're no longer living with your family. What do you mean? By family, wife and kids? I'm living with them. With parents? No. I moved out. I rarely include my family in my content, not because it's totally fine if you see them in, I don't know, YouTube videos or something, but especially on Instagram and Facebook, there are so many scammers who just grab your pictures from your socials and then use for scams. And therefore I kind of do not share my family pictures anymore. Kinda. I'm renting. Hey Sitiga. Yeah, that's the reason. I do not put my family in videos because all those scammers and all that stuff. Do you do beta testing? Not currently, but I did with other apps. Very funny history about your wife and motorcycle. Yeah, I didn't buy a motorcycle this summer. And every season, I don't know, it's on the beginning of the season, there was two guys who on motorcycles riding dumb. And just in not today, but yesterday and day before, also two guys on motorcycles in the city were kind of, because at the beginning and the end of the season, all the crazy kind of riders start to kind of ride probably more aggressive than usually, and yeah, exactly, as Ellie's saying, yeah, motorcycle. In last 2 days, two guys kind of gone. Did you cancel the transaction in the bank? How you reach it? Did you cancel the transaction? I'm missing content. Yeah, give me more details. Yeah, we really need some. I wasn't scammed. That's the problem. Is that the problem is that scammers using my photos and creating profiles on social networks, and they're saying that they are some kind of hackers who can kind of fix blocked profiles and stuff like that. I wasn't scammed. For example, if you will go to the socials, Instagram, I don't know, can we see stories? If we go to my profile, here is stories with scammers. So this guy, for example, something like hackers and so on, you know, kind of. All of those are basically scammers. They're using my photos, creating profiles on Instagram and on Facebook, and basically just saying that, okay, I can restore your kind of profile, stuff like that. Hey, Kristers. Hello, Vakar. Hey, hello. That type of scammers. Not scamming me, but using my content to scam. Okay, that kind of works. The tricky part is to find pictures. We kind of need this to describe how the stuff works. And I don't know, onboarding pictures really will help. Probably skip button also could be nice to have. Okay, 100 actions a day, done. Wiring shots, countries, leads daily, I'm old enough to know Russian, yeah. I'm born in 1975, and in 1975 half of the population in Riga was Russian speaking, and basically you weren't able to buy a bread in the store if you do not speak Russian, because that was kind of organized migration from Russia from Soviet Union, basically to Baltic countries. Yeah, I can speak Russian. I do not write. I never learned to write in Russian, but I can read. I read plenty of books in Russian because it was easier to get science fiction books in Russian than in Latvian. And I can speak. My Russian probably is rusty because I do not use it. I use it rarely, but I don't know when I used it last time. But yeah, I can speak Russian, yeah. What I'm building. This application, how do I market it? This is part of marketing. This live stream probably is marketing. Okay, I missed my day where I am. Okay, so perform one. I think that copy is even kind of decent, Richard. Warm reach outs. Cold reach outs. Is it clear what is warm reach outs and what is cold reach outs? What is warm leads and cold leads? Probably not. Probably I need to add some details here. It's kind of is here. New potential leads. Yeah, probably. They don't know you yet. For example, if I would market something to you, that is warm reach out because you know me already from my videos, from my content, and so on. If I will send DM to some stranger on social networks, that is cold outreach. That's kind of only difference. But type of messaging can be the same. That can be DM on socials. Difference is basically, it is kind of already kind of existing kind of contact, some relationship, or kind of just DM to stranger. Creating content. What do you think about using old Mac Pro? I think that could look cool, but I'm not interested to do that because I like mobile setup. I'm kind of sitting here at the desk, but I can grab my laptop and go, and I just have necessary stuff, you know. I don't want to build kind of huge home office with infrastructure, network, what else not. Servers, I don't know. I'm kind of still feel more like nomadic person, let's say so. Even I'm kind of spending most of the days in the same apartment, but yeah, I understood that. It's fine, I know. I saw that there are guys who kind of making Hackintosh, putting inside those old Mac cases. That's cool. Looking great. Creating ads. Or content across our platforms. Yeah, like that. And here will be posts and comments. Home is where your server is. Okay. Posts and comments. How to write that? Oh, it's autocomplete, interesting. Not really. Oh, Martin, hello. Hey. Yeah, building new application, exactly. You know, I'm very persistent on not finishing started projects. I started SwiftUI boilerplate. I kind of realized that, okay, it's not a really interesting project and I don't really need it for myself, and sharing inside community probably also doesn't make much sense. And then I started to work on kind of like a meditation app, and that was kind of interesting, and I was close to, let's say, alpha version, but then I come up with the idea that, I need to kind of track my marketing activities, and I built application just to track it for myself, and it kind of works. Okay, it's not here. It kind of works. I already tracking those activities for myself, but now to kind of release it for others, I need some kind of onboarding to explain what that I'm doing, and so on and so on. So yeah, I consistent in not finishing my projects. Yeah, that's simple application, but oh my gosh, my nose is running. Sorry, I need to do something. Hello, labvakar, Mārtiņ. Zero 100 meditation app. No, that is kind of, let's say, kind of like a habit tracking application. Basically, that is app to track your marketing activities. You could use any habit tracking application for that as well, but why to use existing apps if you can build your own, you know? Yeah. I'm doing well, thank you. Is it midnight? Not yet, but yeah, close. Yeah, exactly. Warm outreaches. Basically, the goal is to get to 100 every day. So creating content, or kind of creating valuable posts and comments, or sending outreaches and so on. Exactly, yeah, that's that, yeah. I only build apps for Android. I started with a few Android apps as well. And yeah, I'm sure you can add a lot of things here to show kind of charts, how many content you created. You can start to track revenue changes, you know, whatever. But let's do not overcomplicate MVP, right? Good evening. Hey, Alex. Okay, where I was? I was on that onboarding flow, right? Right. Yeah. Okay, let's rerun it. I don't already remember what I changed. Probably, yeah, I changed that wording. And yeah, probably I need settings page to plug in somewhere WishKit to get feedback from users, what they really like to see in next version. Simple, yeah, perform, okay. Warm reach outs or outreaches? I don't know. Connect with 100 warm leads daily via email, text, direct message, or calls. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Martin. Can you give me some tips which I can create some kind of revenue and get a good job? Become good at programming and you will get a job. You know, give me some, you know, the best tip how to make money with photography, sold your camera. You know, it's kind of, you're asking kind of lazy questions and be ready to get lazy answers. When you tap on plus button, there should be confetti. We have actually confetti, not on plus button, but on reaching 100. We have some kind of celebration screen. Let me see if I broke it or not. Probably, yeah, something like ka-ching sound as well could be, you know, good. Don't we? Aren't we on 100 yet? Oh, probably it doesn't work on preview. Whatever. But basically we have some celebration view when we hit 100. Confetti everywhere. You know, actually I should add that ka-ching kind of money sound, because it is kind of, you know, interesting, because it kind of feels very kind of cheesy, but as you may know, I have paid school community, and they have feature basically if you are in the school logged in, when someone buying from you, they have kind of that slider from the side, and they're showing how much money you just made and making this ka-ching kind of money sound. And that's kind of cool, you know, if you leave your laptop open and then you hear, oh, I got the money and so on. I think for those guys who kind of tracking this money, it's also, because it's kind of not money, it's kind of actions to get more money, but that confetti and sound could be interesting. What is a good way to practice Swift logic? Build projects, build apps, if you are new to the programming. I did, how it was? Where is my browser? Do I have browser? I should have browser, okay. GitHub. I don't know how you use GitHub. How you are supposed to use GitHub. How it was? Swift coding challenges. I did those Swift coding challenges, and you don't need my GitHub. It's basically it is book from Hacking with Swift. Yeah, here it is, Swift coding challenges, and I bought that book for a while ago. I don't know when it was. 7 years ago. Yeah, 7 years ago. And I kind of did those, you know. What happens on 100 day? You definitely by day 100 you will increase your sales for sure if you will do that. What happens? You are getting kind of congrats view. On day 100 you have, come on, SwiftUI previews, do not fail on me. Let's go. Okay, I will sip a tea. Does it make churn on a user from app? Yeah, we should kick out. Okay, you reached the 100. Go away. Okay, previews probably will not work today. I started learning iOS development with Objective-C, but I never was working in office as kind of developer, you know? Like you finish it up, goodbye. Yeah, exactly. You reach at the top level, you have to go now, yeah. Yeah, go and leave and get alive. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but it seems that streaming and previews is too much to my poor machine. And we'll see, probably we will get this preview someday soon. I don't know, this probably sounds dumb, but whatever. Content creation, spend creating ads or content across your social platforms, probably. I think that's good enough. Okay, we need pictures. That's the tricky part. I think maybe one picture will work for MVP and then we can kind of play. It's just onboarding flow. I don't know. And I don't plan any paywall because whatever. Basically, that's basically counter. Nothing fancy at all. Of course, you can add a shitload of features, but I made it for myself just because I was tracking my kind of activities. It's if it is something countable, like how many comments you left, it's kind of hard to count, but oh, nice. Here we got our congratulations preview finally. If it is something that you can count, let's say you can count how many emails you send, you can somehow open that in email and kind of see. Or if you are doing batch sending, you can kind of register that. But the tricky part for me was kind of to count those content creation minutes, because it always kind of feels, okay, I was making content for an hour, but did you really? So maybe you kind of was looking for inspiration in YouTube for 15 minutes and then making tea and so on, you know. I do not use any app for screenshots yet. Previously I used Fastlan. I had kind of Fastlan integration in my project to make screenshots automatically, but I broke it when I kind of updated all the design and was too lazy to fix that. And currently I'm just creating them in Figma. Time here is almost midnight. I have installed something like screenshots. I already forgot the name. I downloaded one app from the App Store, but I never used it, to be frank. Okay. And fun fact, actually, I hired a designer, Screenshot Master. Yeah, exactly. Screenshot Master. I think that was that, yeah. Yeah, Screenshot Master. I downloaded it, but I didn't use it yet. And I don't know what I can get in free version. I never used it, but it is made by member from our community. Therefore, I just kind of downloaded it, planned to try, but never did. Also use WishKit. Oh, nice. But Screenshot Master looks really good. I should try those. I should try and do A/B test for my apps. I actually hired the designer. I paid $500 for screenshots and for A/B test and so on. And that's not just kind of no-name guy from Fiverr. It was kind of quite popular designer on Twitter as well, and those screenshots performed worse than mine, so I need probably try something like that, you know, as well, like the Screenshot Master. Okay. Do you use royalty-free music? No, I'm paying for this music. This music is from Epidemic Sounds, and I'm paying something like 15 or 19 bucks in a month to use this music on my videos for social networks. live streams including. What was that, Theodore? Screenshot Studio. Okay. Yeah, there are multiple apps. I just know this Screenshot Master because author is in our Indeed community. Yeah, same. I'm using Figma as well. Skipped a lot of challenges to learn how to assemble screenshots by myself. Yeah. How you considered programming for Android too? I programmed for Android back in 2000. I don't know. Basically, that was Eclipse as IDE and Java. I made few apps. Yeah, it's decent service if you make content. Then yes, just for kind of listening music, I don't know. It's probably too expensive. And music selection, basically that is exactly like that, royalty-free music. They have artists who are making this music for them, and yeah. This company is from Sweden. They have office in Stockholm, studio. There are artists who are making music and so on. They're quite big actually, quite popular in between YouTube creators, but there are other similar services as well. They are not only one who are doing stuff like that. Okay. It's easy to distract me, right? Image. How can we... Should I pay something to make image? How it works? Black Forest runs. View on replica. Okay, should I read the blog? Can I just say, give me an image? Manage billing. Okay, I need to add billing. Can you try featured models for free? Okay, let's try. I used Midjourney before, and I was paying for it. Flux. Which Flux? Probably it's this. Metalama. Okay, let's try this. Can I use this for free? Feature models for free. Okay, which one is free then? This maybe? Flux Schnell? Probably not. I do not mind to pay, but I just need probably one image now, and I really don't want to deal with payments now on stream. Can I get something for free? Those images looks nice. Probably I will need to pay that money, whatever. Level Silo Counter-Strike. What? Can we use it for free? Anything? Probably this can we use it. Oh, that's... Oh, you upload image and... Oh, whatever. I just need something to replace. Okay, let's go. Let's use Grok. Grok can make mistakes and verify its outputs. Okay. Yeah, I will say it's not for my midnight brain, definitely. It's kind of engineer design for engineers. Explore, get started. I will need to learn how to do this, but probably not tonight. Whatever, not tonight. Let's generate something dumb simple in Grox. Okay. Can we please go away? Okay, so what prompt that could be? Basically, we need something like a rule of 100. Let's see, on Splash, can I see something like revenue? Maybe we can just find a nice picture. Seems that we are at the end of the playlist. Nice. Let's start next one. This one is little bit less sleepy. Okay, I lost my. Okay, here it is. No, those are very boring pictures. This one, yeah. Marketing probably. I don't know. Those Unsplash pictures are not good anymore. Just started learning SwiftUI yesterday. 100 days of SwiftUI challenge. That's great. Just Google 100 days of SwiftUI. I don't know, man. Those images just soul crushing. This one is something kind of okayish. Modify with AI. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, those kind of is something. Wedding budget, okay. I could sketch something by myself as well, but I don't really want to kind of... Music is louder than I? Really? Just now? Or it was so all the time and you were kind of... Streamer X mine. Maybe I am kind of... Okay, I can make it a little bit less loud. Better? Worse? Same? Let's make it less loud here as well. I don't know if you hear music now. Music is about 1/4 from sound. Yeah, somehow Twitch didn't run. Twitch stream didn't start. Okay, whatever. Have you been trying to use your iPhone for shooting and try to connect external microphone to it? Yes, I did that with DJI microphones. Works just fine. Yeah, I don't like those images. Okay, let's ask Grok to create something. Simple design for... I don't want to enable again the Midjourney kind of simple for mobile app illustration. Try on raw on not toily. Oh, actually, we can ask for images in the ChatGPT as well. Which one should we use? Canva? Collaborate with writing and code, that's new. I think we need standard for image generation. Probably we need just GPT-4, okay. ChatGPT using dull, I think. Create that will be some kind of vertical image. Portrait. How you write portrait? That's totally wrong. Okay, vertical image is simple. For mobile app. Screen topic. Okay, what do we have? What do we have here as a topic? That will be something like onboarding page. Actually, you know, let's copy this. Let's see. Probably that's too much information, but we'll see. Not bad. But yeah. But you can use your native language for prompts. Yes, probably. Yeah. It's good illustration. The problem is that I don't even know how I should say onboarding screen in my native language. I could come up with something, but I just said we don't. Oh my gosh! Yeah, it's bad. It's very bad. Yeah. When I'm kind of thinking about work, about programming, all the business stuff and so on, I think I even kind of thinking about that kind of stuff in English, and I never kind of mixing native language with English. And I saw guys who writing comments in code in native language, and I always was thinking kind of why it's, especially if there's kind of some kind of where I saw it in projects where we're working kind of together and they're writing comments in their native language. Nice, cool. What will you do when you will hire someone who is not speaking in that language, you know? Exactly, it's not demure. Exactly. Not cute at all. Just only for AI. Yeah. It's fine. I understand. Yeah. I don't know. I somehow, for me, English is kind of work and kind of business language. because I'm consuming all content when I'm learning in English. I am kind of, when I'm talking about that, I'm talking with you guys in videos or in live streams or in chats where we're talking in English. I will have a hard time to talk about App Store optimization in Latvian probably. Okay, it's not so hard. I'm kind of already kind of creating this dialogue in my mind, but I never tried to do that. Probably it will not be so bad as I'm thinking. Okay, let's start from scratch. Scratch. Let's try like that. It's kind of better, and I kind of maybe almost like it, but it is kind of so obvious that it is kind of sloppy AI generated image that, and what is that rule and started to try to write something and then kind of got tired. It seems that I will need to go back to the Midjourney or renew my kind of account and pay for Midjourney or go to the Flux. Is it hard to add payment? To read the blog. I don't want to read blog. I want one picture. Pricing. Okay, how much does it cost? You only pay for what you use. Really? Okay, here it is. Something like 4 cents per image. It's fine. Private models and so on. Explore models to run. Yeah, I don't want to create my own custom model. Featured models. Models generate, okay. Basically we need, oh interesting, extract text from images. Not bad. You can basically do that with macOS, just manually of course, but use face, generate music, oh, interesting. Fine tune flux, nah, not interested. Okay, generate images. Stable diffusion. Okay, let's click. Oh, 27 more. Holy moly, so many. Can I use any of them for free just to create one image? I promise you I will pay later. I just don't want to do that now. I don't know, all of them looks fancy. Is it paid? Why they are saying, you can try featured models for free. Okay, and when I'm going to the featured models, I see those. And when I'm kind of trying to use them, okay, for example, this one, they're already saying, okay, payment method is needed. Oh my gosh. Set a billing. What they ask? Credit card, all that stuff. Yeah, sure. It's the best thing to do on the stream. Add credit card. Okay, let's go for the grok. Simple design for a mobile app illustration. For this is picture for 100-day marketing challenge. User should do 100. Something like that. Do you still have your MacBook Pro 2015 lying around? No, I sold it for a while ago. Yeah, this is kind of cool. Actually, I like design style here, but that's not what I'm looking for. It's not bad actually. I like that better than what we got from ChatGPT. ChatGPT, those pictures are kind of meh. This is not cool. Design for mobile app illustration. Maybe don't need. I don't like this one. Maybe we will simple design. I can't edit this here. Okay. I can edit here. Edit prompt. Okay. Simple design. Yeah, that's kind of cool, but totally not what we need. Yeah, that will not make what I want like that with this prompt. Yeah, definitely I'm not going to make those designs by myself, but okay, simple design. Like yeah, maybe how that will look if I will take that's kind of cool, but yeah, I'm kind of probably wasting time here a bit. Oh, yeah, actually, let's try this all long prompt. I think that problem with with Grok is that they are just making images in this format, but that's fine. This actually is cool. This actually looks cool, I will say. That's really dope, I would say. Yeah, I like it. I will download this one. Yeah, I like it. Format is not right, but we can slice it, you know, and show kind of while user is sliding through screens, we can kind of show it. Because I think we need something more like vertical. Okay, save image. This is dope, I like it. Give me more. This was good. Not so much, but also not bad. This one is cool as well. Do you mean first one? First one was better, yeah. This one is also kind of nice. I will download kind of few. Yeah, first one was the best. Yeah, I with you. Yeah, I'm with you. What's that? Not bad, but kind of, what's that? Dick picture or what? I don't know what's that here. I like fonts and text, but that image is not really relevant. But results here are much levels better than ChatGPT. How to? Yeah, something is broken here. Yeah. Yeah, those are not cool. This kind of okay, but the text is broken here. Premium, whatever. It's not good. Yeah, first one was the best. AI is bad at text. Yeah, that's true. But this is not bad actually. Includes warm reshots, post content, reshots, paid ads. It's kind of, and what is that? Preach? It's kind of, yeah, it's first one was the best, yeah. Okay, this one is already kind of better. Do you edit images after using AI? I do not generate images often. It's kind of not good. Okay, let's stick with the. This one is cool, but it's kind of. What is that? What is this? What is here? How to do figgle my? How do figgle my? Oh, what the hell? And glotted lights. Primary micri pen. Yeah, it looks like pillows, exactly. It's not good. The first one was good. Let's stick with this first one. For the very, we already spending half of the night on image generation. I actually already had one image here, but I wasn't kind of big fan of it. It's kind of, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, let's drop that another one. To download image. Okay, that will be yeah, you're right. You are right. The first one was the best, and let's stick with that. And let's see how it looks if I just drop it on that onboarding screen. Image. Probably that will be not the best look. I don't know how it will fit the screen. Probably that will be somehow centered. But let's see. Maybe it somehow automatically looks okay-ish already. Not great. It's kind of, it's okay-ish. Not too small for the screen. But yeah, we need to change the background or do something about it. It could look better if we kind of, if we will kind of slice it in the kind of more images and then slide across them. But then we will have the problem. The first kind of screen will be just kind of this part, and then that will be unclear what the hell is that, because this one kind of, and it looks good together, so all of that stuff, and we probably will need kind of different images for different screens, but not for MVP. I will not fight. One thing is kind of fight with AI to generate them, but another is just to come up with ideas for each screen, Rounded corners always helps, yeah, agree. If I will add kind of blue background, and that will kind of blend in. Good luck with that. Yeah, good luck with that. Yeah, exactly, to come up with prompts for each screen and generate those images. Now, that's not for the... We can try, actually. Okay. We can try. We can give this prompt, Will it continue to use provided information, or that is kind of new prompt? Yeah, there will not be kind of probably ongoing dialogue. That probably will forgot all the provided. Okay, let's try. Next image for the same what? For mobile app onboarding screen. Next, okay, image for the same app. Next screen. I don't think this will work. Title. Something like that. I don't think that will work, but let's try. Hi Axel. I don't like this song. It is here again. Yeah, it doesn't make sense, you know, kind of style is kind of different and so on. Whatever. I'm not doing that today. We need basically just series of images, and I think the flux will be the best one, but I'm not going to fight with it now. But maybe this kind of description can work as a part of the prompt, and then we can generate series of images and so on and so on. And in Flux, we actually can get more vertical image, and then this kind of problem will be solved as well. Okay. Eat, sleep, coding. Oh my gosh. Hey, hello. I think I will just use the same screen for each, same image for each of the screens for now. How to look it a little bit better. Can I get preview, please? Yeah, preview. Oh, autocomplete. So nice of you. Okay. In its image name will be this one. What's wrong here? Probably we need... How do you do previews now? Okay, like that. Okay. No? Like that. Okay. And let's copy paste. Title, description. Title, description is going here. Image. Why are you looking like that? And description is going here. Come on, preview. Is it Swift 6? It should be 6, yeah. Because that is a new project, I made it a few days ago, and by default it should be Swift 6. Okay, so that's how it looks like, and we could add some images resizable, scale it to fit, frame, weight. Padding top. I don't know if we need padding top. So how can we make it nicer? So yeah, those rounded corners and kind of spacing could help actually. Yeah, I have no idea how it looks, how to make it look nice. If we will add kind of blue background, it will go towards all of it. Then we need to separate this part. And I'm looking on the task and I'm already kind of, I could just call it a day now and go to sleep. And that will be tomorrow's problem. Morning, I ever could deal with that. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Oh, that image is kind of jumpy as well. It's not the same height here. Yeah, this blue background will not kind of... It will make it better, but... Okay, I will say so. That is good enough for commit, whatever. It's good enough to wrap up here, and tomorrow I will try to generate better images with Flux, just to make them kind of bigger, and then we will solve the problem of that. I'm making onboarding flow for my application. Actually, I just made onboarding flow for Azara, but that was for job. Something like that could work here, but we need only kind of... I'm not sure if I like to have full screen image here. I would like to have it from here to the top. But for that we need to generate better images. This one is good. This one is good, but we need kind of series of images. Okay, whatever. I will commit this and I will continue tomorrow with adding payment method to the Flux and creating better images. This one was the best one, but it's kind of iffy. Okay. Onboarding flow added. Stage all. Commit. Push it to the master as like a big boys to the mine. Yeah, right. Now those are mine branches. Okay, that is it for today. Probably I will continue to know tomorrow at night. I don't know yet. We'll see. But it's time to sleep. Okay, that's it. Thank you for coming. Bye.